Hey guys, Rating Intimate here. Sorry I haven't used Plotagon in a while. And also I need to tell you that I am 10 years old, and my birthday is on August 23rd, 2010. Anyways, on to the video. Man, I keep getting grounded by my stupid good-for-nothing parents.
Caillou, what the heck is all the racket in here?
Oh, nothing, Dad.
Okay, well I am going to take you to school.
No, I don't want to go to that sh**T.
Well, you are going there, and that is final.
You know, I might misbehave at school. Ha 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 ha.
Oh, for F***, don't misbehave, you bald-headed idiot.
Ugh, whatever, Dad. I am so excited to kick the school's ass.
Caillou, do not swear in the car and don't do what you said.
Oh come on, Dad, Miss Martin is a B***TCH.
Caillou, stop the freaking swearing, you bald idiot.
Ugh, fine, Dad.
Alright Caillou, we're here, get out of the car.
No, I am staying in here.
I said get the hell out of my car, you freaking idiot.
Ugh, fine, you piece of crap.
Now behave, Caillou, cause if you don't, you'll be so grounded for freaking life.
Okay, Dad.
Hey brat.
Oh my god, here we go again.
What's the matter, nerd?
Leave me alone, you freaking piece of trash.
No, I will bully you for the whole day, Caillou, and you can't stop me.
Oh yeah? Watch this.
Wah! You got me good.
Yeah, don't mess with me, punk. What is going on here? Nothing, sir. Okay. Gotta go, it is 4 o'clock. Bye. No it isn't, it's 12 right now. I don't care, take this you freaking idiot. Asterisk throws book asterisk. Ow, wow, 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 that bald piece of trash will pay. I will call his dad right now. Hello, is this Caillou's dad? After the call.
Oh my freaking god. Caillou is so grounded when he comes home. Caillou, did you throw a book at a repairman's face?
Yes. Yes I did.
Caillou, how dare you throw a book at a repairman's face? That is so it. You're grounded for 9, 7, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 6, 7, 9, 8, 0, 9 years. Go to your sh**T room right now.
Wah! Crap, I'm grounded again? This is so stupid. At 7 o'clock.
I am so tired of grounding Caillou all the freaking time. It is not freaking working. Got something worse?
In fact, I do. There is a military school not far from here that has misbehaved kids there for a whole week.
Let's bring him there. Ha 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 ha.
Man, I wish there was a way to get ungrounded.
Caillou, pack your things.
Why?
Cause we are taking you to a military school.
What? No, I am not going to that hell.
Oh yes you are. Now pack your things or you're grounded for longer.
Okay, fine. I will pack my things. Okay, I did it. Now time to go downstairs.
Alright, let's get in the car. Alright, Caillou, be on your best behavior, okay?
Okay, Dad. Dad, can we go get food? I am hungry.
No, Caillou, we're not stopping.
Take me to get food now.
Caillou, I said no, and that is final.
I want to get food. 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 I want to get freaking food now.
Caillou, stop. You lost 1 strike, 5 more and you're grounded longer.
Okay, fine.
When they got to military school,
Okay, Caillou, we're here. Get out of the car.
Okay, Dad.
are you the bald-headed kid?
Yes, yes I am.
Okay, come inside. This will be your cell with no food, no water, and no bunk bed. Have a nice day.
Okay, Captain. Dora, you're here too?
Yes. My parents brought me here a few minutes before you got here. Wow.
Don't worry, we'll get out of here.
Okay, Caillou.
A few hours later. All right, you two come with me. Okay, I want you two to do 100 push-ups.
Okay,
100 push-ups later.
ow, that hurt.
All right, now fight each other.
Dora, I don't want to do this to you.
Me either. Wow.
Ow.
Ow.
Now we will go back inside.
Oh my god, this food is disgusting.
Yeah, I know.
I have an idea. We will kill the captain and then kill the security cam guy. And then leave. Ha 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 ha.
That's a good idea. Let's do it.
Hey, get out of my security room, or else I am calling the captain over.
No, I will kill you.
No.
Ha 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 ha. I did it.
Hey, get back to the cafeteria right freaking now.
No, I will stab you with this knife I got from the security cam guy's office. Ha 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 ha.
Wait, you killed Robert?
Yep, and I am here to kill you.
No. Oof.
Yes! Time to get out of here. We did it.
Yes, now let's go home.